Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off access within apps on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Control Center. Then after that, in the Control Center, find the Access Within Apps, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it. Then all you have to do is just click it to enable until it becomes green. When Access Within Apps is enabled, it allows access to Control Center within apps. When disabled, you can still access Control Center from the home screen. And if you want to disable or turn off, just click again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off access within apps on iPhone X. If you have a question, can comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.